Hi guys, I just want to discuss another trade setup that is on CHF JPY. And you see right here the trend which we see from this point has been like shifting on the downside, like continuously making lower lows and lower highs. Right here you see that the price tried to push on the upper side but even closed below this point, and then the prices started accumulating sideways right here, and after that there was a break, pullback, a big break on the downside, and price continuously moved on the downside. After that we see that there are certain gaps around here, and what eventually happened, that price pushed on the upper side like that, taking these highs. I have to clear this out guys for understanding now. So if we see right here on 1 hour chart, so this was our phase of accumulation right here, and what ended up happening, that price came back, retested, and broke on the downside further. Here we can see that the seller momentum has increased a lot, and price continuously went down after that, and then further moving on the downside. Then price, what did it price did do is that it kind of like pushed on the upper side like that, but here we had like a good selling momentum, and we got like a doji bar here, kind of like showing the rejection around this point. And this was kind of like a confirmation that prices are unable to push further on the upper side, although this is another order block right here that can be really be an effective right now, in a sense that if the price comes here, this could be our first target to actually take this position. So this is what the setups actually look like, that from this point we got a good rejection around here, and it seems like it can actually push down around here, and this could be our first target, and the rest we can just lock in the profit. So this was the setup guys. Thank you very much.